Hello everyone, this is your favorite Murtad and today I'm going to talk about Sam. You know why? Because somehow Sam did a mistake and I'm going to expose Sam. Yes, exactly. He gave away his address in a live stream and now Muslims are doxing. Imagine that. These idiot who thinks they can dox. Let me share my screen. Let me show you. This is the channel. This is the channel. This channel is of Muslim by choice. Somehow he is refuting Sam Shimon. Fair enough. We're going to talk about that later. But check the first comment of the video. And this is the first comment of the video. And it says, Sam leaks his address around 10 minute 25 mark to 10 minutes 30 marks in his Muslima has an objection part 3 video. Woohoo! Let's mail him glitter packs. Now imagine, is this the first time somebody's address has been leaked or shown to the world? And what are they supposed to do about it? Don't you guys know about it? Let me remind you. Let me remind you what doxing is and where did they get this information from. And now he's going to dox.
Now we know that Muhammad was allowed for.
Ibn Anwar, hold on. I think it was what? Sister.
Oh wow, you're doxing me.
Right.
Oh my goodness, how pathetic are you that you think you doxing me is somehow?
I'm not going to dox you. What's going to happen next? That's not dox, and that's public information already. What's going to come
no, that's doxing. Actually, Ijaz, I have to, Ijaz, you force my hand. That is, yeah,
that's not cool, dude.
Public
that is
information.
Not cool at all.
Public information. You will be found.
It is public information, but it wasn't intended for
you. Did you just say you will be found? Did he literally say that you will be found?
You will be found, full stop.
Okay. See how threatening that sounds?
Just know I denounced that. Ariel, just know I denounced that.
He said you will be found. Do you see how?
So why you will be found? We already know that. Why he will be found? We all know that. Sam tells the truth about Islam and Muhammad, and we have seen multiple times what the punishment should be of a person who belittles Muhammad. You wanna see what the punishment should be for the person who belittles Muhammad? Let's look at fatwa classes, a sheikh explanation.
Yes. That is insulting the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu or belittling him or spreading misinformation about him or something like that. This is considered a major crime in Islam, and it has been to refer to the authority as soon as you are aware of that, and it has a capital punishment in Islam.
Now, that capital punishment, how will you apply? You fine him, you give the capital punishment. If the government cannot give the capital punishment, then Muslim does that by themselves. So they dox, they send out the information. And you know what this guy did? He texted in a Muslim channel explaining to all the Muslims, this is his address, give him what? Yes, he said give him glitter packages, but you know what he means. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to know what he really means. Islam is nothing but a cult of Muhammad, and anybody who speaks against Islam and Muhammad should be put to death. It's there in every sources. Enjoy and have fun. Accept the real Islam, because Islam is the religion of peace.
He's right there to guide you. Unseen, you're not alone. His light shines on the path.